Okay, let's do this example here. So a is x squared, take away 9x plus 18. Okay, so I'm going to open my two sets of brackets, then first term squared, no problem, x. Now let's focus on 18. So what are the factors of 18? So 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6, 4 no, 5 no, and 6, and it goes up. Okay, now what happens? We have here a negative, which means that it's not only about adding, but we have to have, because this one is positive, I know that both of these one has to be negative, because when I multiply this term times this term has to be positive 18, okay? So I know that both are going to be negative. So which ones am I going to use here so that I get to this 9? Hopefully you're saying, okay, 6 and 3. Agree? So what I'm going to do here is this one, take away 3, take away 6. Okay? If you want to see if it works, then you can do it. You can just expand it. So you can do that. Let's expand it here just to check your answer. So you come from here and you say, okay, I'm going to check my answer. So to check my answer here, I'm going to do x times x, which is x squared. X times negative 6 is negative 6x. Negative 3 times x is equal to negative 3x. And then negative 3 times negative 6 is positive 18. So this one is x squared, take away 9x plus 18. Wonderful, I got to the same answer. So our logic worked, okay? Wonderful. Let's do B. So here I have x squared plus 6x, take away 16. Okay, I'm going to open my two brackets. And then I'm going to focus on what are the factors of 16. So I can do 1 times 16, I can do 2 times 8. It's not divisible by 3, then 4 times 4, and that's it. And then I go upwards. Okay, which one? Okay, now let's focus on here. It's negative because it is negative. So what is the first term? Let's focus for it. I forgot to do that. X squared, so I have to do an x here, another x here. Wonderful. Now we're focusing on the pairs of 16, but it's negative. And because it's negative, I know that I will have one positive and one negative. Okay, so I'm going to have one of these ones are going to be positive and the other one is going to be negative, which means that the factors, the pair of factors that I'm looking for is when I'm subtracting one from the other, I get to 6. So hopefully you can see here that I have 2 and 8. 8 take away 2 will be 6. And I need the 6 to be positive. Therefore, the 8 has to be here. It has to be the positive number so that when I take away the 2x, it's going to become positive 6x. I know, girls, that you might thinking that this is very confusing, but believe me, when you start doing more practice, you will get used to this, okay? I think we don't have more examples, so I think you can start doing your questions now. Thank you, girls.